if you already watched my other video of being in nature more and moving more, you've already experienced that activation, then this video is for you. And if not, go check it out. So yeah, just copy me and feel the energy move. Rock your hips forward and backwards. Whoa! My phone wants to join the movement. Remembering to breathe. Remember to breathe. Remember to breathe. Now head up, neck tilted backwards, head looking up to the sky or ceiling, allowing your shoulders to drop, and your mouth could be open like mine, and just relax. I hear you're receiving through your third eye. So just allow whatever to come through. When you're ready, starting from the right hip, moving in a circular motion. Making some sounds, making some sighs, let it out, let it out. And shake and trill your lips with a sound if you want, or just move it. So yeah, if you can, do that in the morning, first thing, it'll help keep the energy flowing.